The leader of United Families International Church, UFIC, and the self-styled prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa have divided into ZANU-PF factional politics and called on President Emmerson Mnangagwa to pardon G40 kingpins ousted by November 2017 coup. Sanabina mashoko obuda panapa tinoona kuti vakomana namakandiwa panguva ino vachipindira ZANU-PF factional fights. Sanabina mashoko obuda nyoro panapa to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibina mnaumobdani kwa mchinzi. Notable G40 figures who fled the country include former cabinet minister Sylvester Sugwire, Walter Mzembe, Jonathan Moyo, Patrick Joao, and Mandi Tawepi Chimene. Many of them remain in self-imposed exile, fearing persecution from Mnangagwa's government. The November 2017 coup, which is stated by the military under the leadership of then Vice President Mnangagwa Nchana Kusani Mwenga, ended Mugabe's 37-year coup. During a recent sermon at his Chitungwiza Basilica, Makandiwa said the remaining G40 members should be allowed to return, arguing that they no longer hold power and pose no threat. He was quoted by NewZimbabwe.com as saying, "I have so much respect for Walter Mzembe. It is unfortunate that they are in a foreign land as we speak. You look at Walter Mzembe, he is harmless, he is pure. If they can allow them back into their country, it will be a blessing for your nation. There is nothing wrong with that. No one is powerful besides the power that you give them." Mzembe was a regular attendee of Makandiwa's church before his exile, raising speculation that Makandiwa's appeal may be an attempt to assist a prominent former church member. His latest comments have sparked debate, with critics arguing that his intervention could be part of a broader effort to rehabilitate the image of exile G40 figures or further align himself with the ruling elite. Domashkona kudanyura pana pano komana kukomenda achiti mashokano kudaito pana pano komana ava achiti ma G40 ngadzoki pana pachiri zvegere vanhu vakomana ava vautongoda zvautongo aligniwa the regime vabetsere the regime executor their roles. Tunze mafunguro enyu muri kudika musoro pechitiko chimena kumezi chimene mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell.